guys are gonna write, what is a system of equations? It is two or more equations with the same variables. We wanna find the solution of a system, the solution. And the solution is, and it tells you right here, it's the point where the two lines, what do you think we care about? I got two lines here. The solution, what do you think I care about with those two lines? Where they cross, what's the fancy math word we use? Intersect, there we go. So I want you guys to fill this word in now. We care about where those two lines intersect. We have types of solutions. The first type is intersecting lines. Do me a favor with your ruler, draw two lines that intersect in that little space right there, right now. Draw one line, draw another line. Don't forget to put arrows at the end because lines do go on forever. And then they are crossing at a point. So I do want you to label that point. Go ahead and circle that point in. And that's what we're trying to find today. That's like the whole thing about this chapter. Two lines, they intersect. If it has one solution, well then we are gonna write that solution as an ordered pair. Go ahead and copy that down too. But what if the lines are parallel? What do parallel lines mean? They go, and I saw, yes, they go in the same direction, they don't intersect, and I saw like this. That is literally what parallel lines are. Can you guys do me a favor? And let's graph parallel lines. So I'm just gonna graph them going like this. And what's really special about parallel lines is they never intersect. They never cross, that's the whole point. So guess what? They have no solution. So if you today graph lines and they end up being parallel, the answer is no solution. Either you're finding a point, either they don't cross and there's no solution, or what's the very last type of line, two lines we can have? What does it say over there? It could be the same line. Now imagine, everyone graph a line. Let's say you graph a line like this, and then you graph the other line, and then it ends up going right on top. How many times is it intersecting itself? Double, just 2 points? 3 times, 4 times? How many times do you think, so over here, they crossed at one point. If I draw a line and then I draw another one right on top, how many times does it cross? None? I think this is the none. But if I take this line and I put it on top, how many points does it intersect at? Yes. Infinite. You guys see that word right there? Infinite solutions. This, go ahead and draw your infinite symbol. That is what's happening. Literally, it's intersecting right here, and right here, and right here, and right here, and right here. I could keep drawing red dots all up and down this graph. So those are the 3 types. All right, so that kind of makes sense. On all of this worksheet here, these are the 3 type of answers you can get. You could say there's no solution, and I usually draw it like that. I just do like a little 0 with the line going through. If they don't cross, there's no solution. If they cross at one point, we're gonna say what that point is. And then if they're literally the same line, then they cross infinitely. Okay, all right, is that kind of making sense for us?